Hey guys, it's Misha, and before I start this video, I decided to change my channel name from The Multitasker to Misha the Multitasker. I did this because a lot of other channels have the same name as The Multitasker, and you could barely find me when you searched up The Multitasker. Now this video is sponsored by me! So as you can see on the title that you clicked on, I'm going to be teaching you how to make traditional talebi, which translates to cantaloupe water. It isn't really cantaloupe water, it's more like a cantaloupe smoothie. It originated in Iran, and I just want to share with you this refreshing drink for the middle of the summer. Cantaloupe is one of the most popular types of melon, especially for its juicy sweetness and multiple health benefits. This quote comes from PersianMama.com, and it says, "Cantaloupe is believed to have anti-inflammatory properties, and it is a powerful antioxidant that boosts the immune system. Especially in this time around coronavirus, you really need to boost your immune system and stay healthy and strong." Talebi is a refreshing morning or midday drink for the middle of the summer when it's steaming hot. You're going to start by getting out your ingredients and supplies. This recipe makes 4 servings of 10 fluid ounces each serving. You need a blender, a cutting board for the cantaloupe, and an adult cantaloupe, of course, water, sugar, if your cantaloupe isn't sweet, and crushed ice. You can substitute the sugar for honey, and you can add some Greek yogurt for thickness. If you have some, you can also add rose water for more flavor, but today I'm just making traditional with another substitute, ice cream instead of sugar. Ice cream is really yummy with talebi and makes the drink even more refreshing. Now we'll make it and stop talking. You're gonna ask an adult to cut the melon in half, because you might get hurt. We're gonna use the whole melon for 4 servings, and it's easier to cut in half because then you can scoop out the insides and the seeds. So right now my mom is cutting them into small pieces, so it'll be easy to put in the blender and mix smoothly. And if I'm only saying to ask an adult to do this for you because we don't have plastic knives, but you can use a plastic knife if you want to, and if it's safe, if the plastic knife is safe. So now I'm going to show you how I cut it. Make sure your parents agree with you cutting it if you decide to do it how I'm doing it. You can either use a plastic knife, or you can use a small and safe, like actual sharp knife. You're better safe than sorry. So make sure to put safety first than just having that refreshing drink with a big wound. We finished cutting the melons and we put them in the blender. But now this is totally optional. You don't have to add sugar or honey. You can make it however you want, but this is how I recommend. So I'm gonna try a piece of this melon to see how sweet it is, to know how much sugar or honey I'm gonna add. We're gonna start with one spoon of sugar, and we're gonna lower it higher. That's really sweet. So I think I'm gonna add about half a cup, not half a cup, like half a spoon of sugar or honey, and I'm gonna put it in here and blend it with the melon. So we put it in, we plugged it in, and now we're gonna start warning headphone users because it is probably really loud when you have headphones on. So we're gonna start by mixing it, the mix setting. So now when you see that you can't tell that it's cubed or anything like that anymore. Now you're gonna click on PUREEEE. You're gonna press on the PUREEEE button. And then when it looks like a smoothie, you're gonna add your other ingredients like ice, sugar, things like that. So I just added and mixed in 1 tablespoon of sugar. I realized that since we're adding almost 2 cups of ice, we're going to need to higher the sweetness a bit more. This is totally optional. You can add more or less, depends on how sweet you want it, and depends on how cold or how much the ice is. So for half a melon, we have almost 2 cups of crushed ice. So I'm gonna add in the crushed ice, and then we're gonna mix it together. For this part, you're gonna click on the stage mix, not PUREEEE. So now I think it's mixed well thoroughly, and so that's our finished product. We're gonna put it into a cup and show you. So I'm gonna pour this in the cup. I haven't told you yet, but you can also add more sugar, put this in add no ice, put this in a popsicle shaper thingamajig and pop it in the freezer and make a melon popsicle. Over the summer, I will be doing videos on simple recipes, snacks, foods, refreshing drinks, things like that. I'll also be doing some more things that will come as a surprise. So I'm gonna try a bit and see what it tastes like. You can eat it with a spoon because it's really thick and it has the ice cream if you want it. That's really good. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe for more videos, and share this video to your friends. Nusha John!